Hello everyone, myself Arpit Chawda and today I am going to explain a new chapter of NCERT textbook of English subject, and our topic is Robinson Crusoe discovers a footprints. So let us discuss how Robinson found and discovers a footprint on that island. We all know about Robinson Crusoe. He was living all alone on one island because his ship had been destroyed by the sea. So let us discuss our lesson line by line. One day, when I was going towards my boat, I was surprised to see the footprints of a man on the sand. As we all know that Robinson was living all alone on that island, and by seeing that footprint, he was surprised. I stood amazed. I listened. I looked around me. I could neither hear nor see anything. By seeing that footprint, he stood amazed there. He listened. He tried to listen the voice and the sound from coming from the beach. Then he looked around the beach, but he could not find anything. I went up higher to look down. I went up the shore and down the shore, but it was no good. I could find no other footprints but that ones. So everywhere, every corner of the beach, he find that footprints. He went up to the hill, he went down to the hill, he went to the shore and down to the shore, but he could not find any other footprint on the sand. I went to it again to see if there were any more footprints to tell if it had been my imagination. So he once again went the same place where he saw that footprints. Why he went to the same place? Because he think that it was my imagination. But I was not mistaken, for there was exactly the footprint of a foot, toes, heels, every part of a foot. So once again he went there and he was sure that there is someone else on that island. Why? Because the footprints has the toes, heels and every part of a foot. I could not imagine how it came there. So now Robinson was confused how it came here. I stayed along thinking, but became more and more confused. So now Robinson was thinking about it continuously. He was every day and every time he was thinking about it and he getting more confused. At last I returned home very frightened, looking behind me after every two or three steps, mistaking every bush and tree to be a man. See that how much he was frightened, that by moving towards or returning to his home, he was looking behind him at every two or three steps by mistaking every bush and tree to be a man. So he think that every bush and tree on that island was a man. So that much he was frightened. When I came to my cave, which I was called my castle, I ran inside it as if I was being chased. So once he returned to his cave, which he called his own castle, then he ran inside his house. Then why he was ran inside his house? Because he think that I have been chased. I do not remember whether I used the ladder or went it by the hole in the rock. Means he even don't know how he entered to his house, by ladder or by a door. I ran cover faster than any animal could run. So he ran very fast as and faster than any animal could run to save his or his life from other animals. I did not sleep that night. So Robinson could not sleep on that night. The more I thought about what I had seen, the more afraid I became. So at that night, what happened? He could not sleep. Why? Because continuously he was thought about that footprints and he was getting more afraid. I thought it could be one of the savage of the mainland who had wandered out the sea in a small boat. So now he thought that it was a savage. Savage means a wild human beings who kills human beings. from the mainland who had wandered out to the sea in a small boat. That savages came to that island in a small boat for a man. Luckily, I was not on shore at that time. But what if he had seen my boat? If I had seen the boat, he would have realized that someone lived on that island and would soon return with others to kill and eat me. So now see that how much Robinson was frightened that he think that if I was at that time on the shore, definitely the savage will kill me. But thank God I was not there. But if the savage had seen my boat, then what happened? They will come with some other and try to kill and eat me. Why? Because they think that someone is living on that island. And so I lay fearful for many days and prayed for protection. So by frightening and by the fear, he is staying in his home for many days and prayed for the protection of his life. In doing so, I was much comforted and began going out to investigate. So many days passed, then he was praying for himself, living inside his house. But after so many days, he went again out to the house to investigate. But even now, as I went forward, I looked behind me frequently because I was still very frightened. See, even though after so many days he went forward, but every time he looked behind him. Why? Because still he was very frightened. Still he thinks that someone is behind me, someone has followed me. However, as I went about for 2 or 3 days and saw nothing, I became a little bolder. So continuously for 2 and 3 days he went outside of the house and investigate that place, but he could not find anything. Then only he became feel little bolder. Little bolder means here he feels comfortable. I decided to go down to the shore again and examine the footprints once more. So now he feel very comfortable, and because of that he decided to go down to that he shore means seashore and examine the footprints once again. I decided to measure it with my own foot mark. So now he decided that I could measure that footprints with my own foot mark. As I came closer to the footprint, I realized that it could not be my footprint because I had not come to this part of the beach since a long time. See, when he went the same place and comparing the footprints of his own with that footprint, he knows that I never come here. I never came on this part of the beach from so many long time. And the second thing is that secondly, as I placed my foot alongside that footprint, it seemed larger than my own. So what happened? The first point is that when he never came on that part of the beach, how the footprint came. And the second thing is that when he placed his footprint alongside, means along that footprint, it seems larger than my own, means that footprint on that sand was larger than Robinson's footprints. And because of that my fear returned, and because of that when comparing his footprint with that footprint and it is larger than his own, he was once again frightened. I went home again. So he once again went his home, believing that there was someone there. So he was believing that someone is still living on that island. The island was inhabited. The island was inhabited means the island was occupied by someone else. So thank you for it.